Hello everyone. So just a quick thing, the Samsung S21 offers a pen feature, right? And supposedly no more Note series are going to be out. So S21 Ultra, you're able to use an S Pen. I don't have an S Pen for this. Um, and I'm still curious what the S Pen Pro will do, but what I do have is an old Galaxy Note 2. Um, this basically went kaput on me, and it's the only Note series I have. The other Note 4 that I had, I exchanged as an upgrade, and I forgot to keep the S Pen when I did the upgrade. If you can't see it, I've chipped up the chrome, but it still works. So let's take a quick look. Oops. So if you've seen the videos, a lot of people are using the S Pen from their from their notes, and it works, right? So you gotta select the drawing, but just showing you what can and can't do. Oops. So let's draw. And this S Pen works a lot smoother than you would expect, right? It's fast, efficient. It's a little bit slower than expected tracing the outlines. Even with the 120 megahertz speed. But when you press this button, nothing happens. Oops. So let's go with something different. Screen write. Okay. So pressing this becomes an eraser. So screen write, let's test it out. Okay, I guess the Life series was the one that was slow on the drag. This one's pretty fast. It's following everything, so that's nice. However, most people don't realize that if they have an old Wacom tablet pen, it's the same thing because it's using the technology from the Wacom technology. So I have an old Wacom pen. This one works. The same series, same features. However, with this one I noticed you apply a little bit more pressure because this is more of a pressure activated, I guess. Or it's an older technology, so it's not as effective on this series, I guess. But it works. Definitely faster, I feel, using this S Pen or the Wacom pen, but something that most everyone has not talked about was the Wacom pen over the S Pen. So hope you enjoyed it, liked it. Thanks for watching the video.